Today's the day. Dart goes bye-bye. All because somebody had to complain.
White, too.
A white Kia? I'm so happy to get rid of this thing. Fucking finally. What? Hi.
Brian, e-brakes along.
Yep.
We got to probably steer too.
Hey, you. Make yourself useful and record. It's for boob tube.
Move in. It's gonna be a lot of front bumper. Yeah. How many blocks of wood? No. Fuck. Because we're on the front bumper already. I kind of figured that. I don't want to rip it off, so I don't have to. Yeah. I didn't bring blocks with me. I'm an idiot.
How bad is it?
We're about like...
That's impressive.
I got steered a little bit.
Yeah. All thanks to Kocher's Customs. He's sponsoring this video. Going bye-bye. Bye, piece of shit. I hate you. They do. If they get pissed, fuck them.
Who's getting this?
Them?
Wife, I'm sitting here
You're the one who called about the dart and they were like, we're just worried about the street cleaning. I was like, alright, so...
Dart, go bye-bye.
Does it start?
What's up, YouTube? This is the Nemesis Coop with a quick little update on getting rid of the dart. Guess what I did? John pulled away with my my piece of shit, and I left my keys in the passenger side door pocket or on the seat. I left my keys in the car. So I am on my way to meet him before it gets too late to go get keys that I forgot. Yeah. I fucked up, okay? Alright, I fucked up. I'm just gonna put it out there. Fucked up. So now I'm driving the Mommobile and I'm going to go get them. Got them back. Oops, my bad. So now that I got my keys back, now it's all good. Now that the dart's gone, like officially gone, paid off. I just got to transfer the title over and go from there. Not sure what's next. I'm probably just gonna throw all the money that I was paying the dart with into the Civic and pay the Civic off a lot faster. because when the Dart actually took a shit, I still owed, I think, like $6,000 on it. And then, paid it off. I think it was like a couple weeks ago. I paid it off, and then I just got the title maybe like a week or two ago. And you know, now that that's kind of out of the way and off the insurance, now I can kind of focus all my efforts on paying the Civic down and getting that paid off, and then I guess off to the next project. Next thing, I really want a Supra. Really, really want a Supra, whether it be a Mark IV or a Mark V, but I know that's probably never going to happen. But I don't know. Or I could just be driving an electric car, because that's the direction we're all headed anyways, so. Oh well. Till next time.